Why, hello there. I can bake some bread, bake some bread, bake some bread. Yo puedo hacer pan y compartirlo contigo. Are you ready to bake some bread? Hoy vamos a hornear nuestro propio pan. Here are the ingredients that you are going to need to make some classic white bread. Harina de trigo. We're going to add flour, salt, and oil to the yeast mixture. Ahora viene la parte divertida. Vamos a amasarlo. How did your bread turn out? ¿Cómo te salió el pan?
Making bread is easy.
Primero empezamos mezclando los ingredientes húmedos.
It's time to bake. There's nothing like freshly baked bread.
Sharing really does make everything better.
I am grateful for being able to bake a loaf of bread. Adiós!
Subscribe.